G'day, mate. Hi, it's me, Ms Moni, and today I thought we could go and see my pretend farm. There are lots of different animals on my farm. Why don't we go and check some out? Oh, did you hear that? Sounds like a moo. I wonder where that sound is coming from. Let's go and find out. Can you help me to find that sound? A sound that goes moo, 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 moo. Do you know where that sound comes from? A sound that goes moo, 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 moo. Is it coming from here? What's that? It looks like a sheep. Does a sheep say moo? No, you can shake your head. No, a sheep doesn't say moo. Let's keep looking. Oh, what's that? It looks like a cow. Does a cow say moo? Yes, a cow says moo. Yes, well done. We found the sound. Shall we wave our hand and say hi to the cow? Hi, cow. This cow is black and white and she's got 2 horns on the top of her head. Can you put on your pretend horns? Let's moo together. Moo, moo, moo. Well done. Why don't we go and see some more cows? More cows. Sitting cow. The cow is sitting. Sitting cow. Hungry cow. The cow is eating. Yum, yum. Hungry cow. Thirsty cow. The cow is drinking water. Thirsty cow. Brown cow. This cow is brown. Brown cow. Lots of cows. Hello, cows. Lots of cows. This is a cow. Can you say cow? Cow. 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 Well done. Let's say bye to the cow now. Bye-bye, cow. Bye-bye. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O. With an oink oink here and an oink oink there, Hey, why don't we keep... Oh. What's that sound? It sounds like a... Oink, oink. Oink, oink. I wonder where that sound is coming from. Let's go and check it out. Can you help me to find that sound? A sound that goes oink, 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 oink. Do you know where that sound comes from? A sound that goes oink, 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 oink. Is it coming from here? Well, that looks like a horse. Does a horse say oink? No, a horse doesn't say oink. I think we'd better keep looking for that sound. Oh, what's that? That looks like a pig. A pig. Does a pig say oink, oink? Yeah, a pig says oink. Can you wave your hand and say hi to the pig? Hi, pig. Hi. This pig is pink. A pink pig. Would you like to see some more pigs? Yes, please. All right, let's see more. Pink pig. The pig is pink. Pink pig. Dirty pig. This pig has been playing in the mud. Dirty pig. Spotty pig. The pig is spotty. Spotty pig. Hungry pig. The pig is eating. Yum, yum. Hungry pig. Dancing pig. Ooh, the pig is dancing. Dancing pig. This is a pig. Can you say pig? Pig. 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 Well done. Okay, let's wave bye to the pig now. Bye bye, pig. Bye. Oh, what's that sound? It sounds like a quack, 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 quack. I wonder where that sound is coming from. Let's go and check it out. Can you help me to find that sound? A sound that goes quack, 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 quack. Do you know where that sound comes from? A sound that goes a quack, 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 quack. Is it coming from here? What's that over there on the pond? Do you know what animal that is? Yeah, it's a duck. A duck. Does a duck say quack, quack? Yes, it does. Well done. We found the sound. Can you put your wings out and quack along with me? Are you ready? Quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack. Quack, 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 quack. Well done, little duckies. Would you like to see some more ducks? More? Yes? All right, you say go this time and we'll see some more ducks. Ready, set, go! Swimming ducks. The ducks are swimming in the pond. Swimming ducks. Hungry duck. This duck is eating. Yum, yum. Hungry duck. Thirsty duck. This duck is drinking water from the pond. Thirsty duck. White duck. This duck is white with an orange beak. White duck. Sleeping duck. Shh, the duck is sleeping. Shh, sleeping duck. This is a duck. Can you say duck? Duck, duck, duck. Well done! Bye-bye, ducky. We'll see you later. 5 little ducks went out one day, over the hill and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 but only 4 little ducks came back. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 little ducks went out one day, over the hill and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 but only 3 little ducks came back. 1, 2, 3. 3 little ducks went out one day, over the hill and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 but only 2 little ducks came back. 1, 2. 2 little ducks went out one day, over the hill and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 but only 1 little duck came back. Only 1 left. 1 little duck went out one day, over the hill and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 but none of the 5 little ducks came back. Oh no, I think Mother duck must be feeling very sad. Sad Mother duck went out one day, over the hill and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 and all of the 5 little ducks came back. Okay, let's... Oh, what's that sound? What's that sound? It sounds like a ba, ba. I wonder where that sound comes from. Let's go and check it out. Can you help me to find that sound? A sound that goes ba, 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 ba. Do you know where that sound comes from? A sound that goes ba, 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 ba. Is it coming from here? What's that? That's a sheep. Yeah, it's a sheep. Does a sheep say ba? Yeah, a sheep says ba. Well done. We found the sound. Yay! Hello, sheep. Can you blow a kiss to the sheep with me? Like this. Can you try? Oh, hi, sheep. Would you like to see some more sheep with me? Yes? All right, let's see some more. Sleeping sheep. The sheep are sleeping. Sleeping sheep. Hungry sheep. The sheep are eating. Hungry sheep. Thirsty sheep. The sheep are drinking water. Thirsty sheep. Fluffy sheep. The sheep is very fluffy. Fluffy sheep. Lots of sheep. There are lots of sheep on the green grass. Lots of sheep. This is a sheep. Can you say sheep? Sheep. 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 Well done! Give yourself a big clap. Yay! Great work. Okay, I thought maybe it was time. Whoa, what's that sound? It sounds like a neigh, neigh. I wonder what animal makes that sound. Let's go and find out. Can you help me to find that sound? A sound that goes neigh, 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 neigh. Do you know where that sound comes from? A sound that goes neigh, 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 neigh. Is it coming from here? Oh, what's that? It looks like a horse. Does a horse say neigh? Yes, it does. We found the sound. Well done. Can you neigh along with me really loud? Here we go. Neigh, neigh, neigh. Now let's neigh really quietly. Here we go. Neigh, neigh, neigh. Well done. Let's go and see some more horses. Galloping horses. The horses are galloping. Galloping horses. Hungry horse. The horse is eating some food. Yum, yum. Hungry horse. Thirsty horses. The horses are drinking some water. Thirsty horses. White horse. The horse is white. White horse. Lots of horses. Lots of horses standing in the field. Lots of horses. This is a horse. Can you say horse? Horse. 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 Well done. Neigh. See you later, horsey. I spy with my little eye something that makes the sound moo. Can you guess what it is? Yeah, it's a cow. Moo. I see lots of cows. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 cows having fun on the farm. Moo. I was just about to go and finish milking the... Oh, what's that sound? It sounds like a meh, meh. I wonder what animal makes that sound. Let's go and find out. Can you help me to find that sound? A sound that goes meh, 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 meh. Do you know where that sound comes from? A sound that goes meh, 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 meh. Is it coming from here? What's that? That looks like another horse. Well, we know that a horse says neigh. It doesn't say meh. I think we'd better keep looking. Let's go. Oh, what's that? That looks like a goat. Yeah, it looks like a goat. Does a goat say meh? Yeah, it does. Can you meh along with me? Meh, meh, meh. Well done, little goats. That was really good. Would you like to see some more goats? Yes. Can you nod your head? Yes. All right, let's check out some more goats. Lots of goats. Lots of goats all together. Lots of goats. Resting goat. The goat is resting on the grass. Resting goat. Brown goat. This goat is brown. Brown goat. Hungry goats. The goats are eating. Munch, munch, munch. Hungry goats. Happy goat. This goat looks happy. Happy goat. This is a goat. Can you say goat? Goat. 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 Well done. Meh. Bye-bye, goat. See you later.
Incy Wincy Spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Up came the sun and dried up all the rain. So Incy Wincy Spider climbed up the spout again. Incy Wincy Spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. So Incy Wincy Spider climbed up the spout again. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. So Incy Wincy Spider climbed up the spout again.
Okay. Oh, what's that sound? It sounds like a buck, 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 buck. I wonder what animal makes that sound. Why don't we go and find out? Let's go. Can you help me to find that sound? A sound that goes buck, 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 buck. Do you know where that sound comes from? A sound that goes buck, 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 buck. Oh, is it coming from here? What's that? It looks like a chicken! Yeah, a chicken! Does a chicken go buck, buck, buck? Yes, it does! Yes! Can you pretend to be a chicken with me? Are you ready? Buck, 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 buck. Buck, 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 buck. Well done! Why don't we go and check out some more chickens? More! Mama chicken. This chicken is with her babies. Mama chicken. Hungry chicken. The chicken is eating some food. Peck, peck. Yum, yum. Hungry chicken. Lots of chickens. Lots of chickens all together. Lots of chickens. Walking chickens. The chickens are walking. Walking chickens. Dancing chicken. This chicken is dancing. So funny. Dancing chicken. This is a chicken. Can you say chicken? Chicken. 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 Well done. See you later, chicken. Bye. Let's play a game of animal detectives. This is my ukulele. Maybe you have one at home. If you do, make sure you bring it out now and you can play along. Okay, I'm going to sing you some clues and you need to guess which farm animal I'm thinking about. All right, detectives, let's go. This animal has a long tail. This animal has 4 hooves. This animal makes a sound like this. Neigh! This animal is a horse. Did you guess horse? Well done. Let's neigh together. Neigh, 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 neigh. Neigh, 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 neigh. Neigh, 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 neigh. This animal is a horse. All right, detectives, here are your next clues. This animal plays in the mud. This animal has a curly tail. This animal makes a sound like this. Oink, 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 oink. This animal is a pig. That's right. Let's oink together, piggies. Oink, 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 oink. Oink, 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 oink. Oink, 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 oink. This animal is a pig. Well done. All right, here are your next clues. This animal has 4 legs. This animal is black and white. This animal makes a sound like this. Moo. This animal is a cow. Did you get it? Let's moo together. Moo, 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 moo. Moo, 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 moo. Moo, 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 moo. This animal is a cow. All right, detectives, here are your last clues. This animal has a short beak. This animal has lots of feathers. This animal makes a sound like this. Buck, 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 buck. This animal is a chicken. Well done. Let's cluck together, chickens. Buck, 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 buck. Buck, 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 buck. Buck, 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 buck. This animal is a chicken. Well done, detectives. Great work. I spy with my little eye something that makes the sound quack, 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 quack. Can you guess what it is? Yeah, it's a duck. I can see 2 ducks. Which duck is in the pond? Yeah, that one's in the pond. And which duck is out of the pond? Yeah, that one is on the grass. 2 ducks having fun on a farm. Quack, quack. Oh, I think there's a farm animal hiding behind all that hay. Maybe if we say peekaboo, the farm animal can come out and we can see what it is. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Peekaboo! Did you see what it was? Let's try it again. Ready? Peekaboo! Did you see it? I think I might know what it is. One more time. Let's go. Ready? Peekaboo! Oh, it's a dog. Yes, it's a dog. Can you bark like a dog? Just like this. Woof, woof. Woof, woof, woof. Woof, woof, woof. Bye, doggy. Bye. I think there's a different animal hiding behind the hay. Would you like to play peekaboo again? Yes? Okay, say it really loud this time. Are you ready? Peekaboo! Did you see it? Let's try it again. Here we go. Peekaboo! Did you see what it is? I think I know what it is. Let's say it one last time. Ready, set, go! Peek-a-boo! Oh, what's that? It's a cow. What sound does a cow make? Yeah, a cow goes moo. Let's wave hello to the cow. Hi, cow. Okay, I think there's one more animal hiding behind that hay. Shall we play it again? Yes. Okay, are you ready to say peek-a-boo with me? Ready, set, go. Peek-a-boo! Did you see what it is? One more time. Peek-a-boo! What's that? It's a horse. And what sound does a horse make? A horse says, neigh, neigh. Can you gallop like a horse with me? Ready? Neigh! Well done, horsies. Bye, horse. We'll see you next time.
5 green and speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating the most delicious bugs. Yum, yum. One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Now there are 4 green speckled frogs. Glub, glub. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 green and speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating the most delicious bugs. Yum, yum. One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Now there are 3 green speckled frogs. Glub, glub. 1, 2, 3. 3 green and speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating the most delicious bugs. Yum, yum. One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Now there are 2 green speckled frogs. Glub, glub. 1, 2. 2 green and speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating the most delicious bugs. Yum, yum. One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Now there is 1 green speckled frog. Glub, glub. Only 1 left. 1 green and speckled frog sat on a speckled log, eating the most delicious bugs. Yum, yum. One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Now there are no green speckled frogs. Glub, glub.
Wow, I had so much fun learning about farm animals with you. You did a great job. Give yourself a big clap. Clap, 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 clap. Well done. Don't forget to ask your grown-up to like and subscribe so that I get to see you again next time. Until then, bye. High five.